This is my newest connection. Well, my first video. It's small, powerful, depending on how many rubber bands you add, and very, very easy to use. If you look, it's basically a basic trigger with the two gray pieces, the blue long rod piece. No, very, very easy. There's a built-in mag. It's my newest minigun. I used to have another YouTube, but I can't access it. So as you can see, it's very easy. Give you a couple looks here. You can basically look at it and see how to make it. I would paste a video on how to make it, but I really don't feel like it. And what you're really gonna need to come in handy is these pieces here. As you can see, there's about 4 areas when I have these pieces. Right here, right here, right here, wait, right in there, under there, and in here too. You just have a really, let's see here. Wish I could give this thing something to stand on, but it's really easy. Make sure you use a yellow rod because it's more length and the fit through easier, plus it gives it more power to it. Because of course rubber bands, elastic, whatever you want to use, back more. I would rather use thin rubber bands because it's way easier to put on and they're not thick, so they won't get in the way of you. So yeah, that is my mini connection with mini mag. And personally, I don't think anything can beat it. And I was going based off of Duncan's what was it? Nano. He has a nano gun. If you go to instructables.com, he always show how they make even smaller ones. But there's only 2 people who made smaller ones, but not this. So that's all.